Hello, good evening, guys. I hope that I'm audible to you. So, if you can watch the screen, if you can see the screen and hear me, please let me know. You can type yes on the comments. Please comment yes if you can hear me. Lalsa Devi, hello, good evening. Rashid Akhtar, hi. What's the update for tomorrow? Okay, so is it about Nifty or Bank Nifty, sir, or about any stocks? Okay, so let's start the session. So, first of all, I hope that today's move was not unexpected for many, because as far as tweeted in yesterday night and from Friday evening, I've just kept on telling to everyone in my tweet and even in my Telegram channel that Nifty is about to confirm where the bottom will be, because as you can see on the chart. So let me just apply the waves. Let me just explain it to you what all happened last few days. So this is where the first bottom happened. Okay, that's not the one. Okay, this was the wave one. No, okay, I'm so sorry because I don't use TradingView that much. So let me just find out which. No, this is not the one. Hmm, no. hmm hmm Okay, I guess I have to use my own Zarada account because I'm unable to use that. Just give me 1 minute. Wait. Okay, so as I said that I'm not that much familiar with TradingView, so I'm using my own Zerodha account. So let's just go ahead and let me just explain what will happen. Okay, there are some moving averages because I use them as well. So what's the update for tomorrow? As Mr. Rashid had asked me, let me explain what will happen and what can we expect for tomorrow. So this was the wave 1, and this was the wave 2, and this was all the wave 3, and here it happened A, B, C, D, E. This was the wave 4, and this was the wave 5. Okay, so this was, everything was a single wave. Okay, and this is where the top happened, and Nifty made a top at around 18,887. Let me just put a line there, and this is where the wave 1 completed, around 350, 18,350, and this is where wave 2 completed. Okay, and let me explain this, the fall, the ABC pattern which happened. So I'll use 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so if you can see, this was wave 1, this was wave 2, this was wave 3. Okay, and this was a correction because this was an impulse one and bearish tone, and this was a correction A, B, C. So the whole thing will go as wave 2. This was wave 1 and this was wave 2, and now we are in third, or you can call it wave C. So this was the first wave, and this was the second one, and this was the third one. So if you follow me on my Twitter, so as I said that the first wave was completed, finished above 200. So the fourth wave should not exceed this line. If you can see this bottom here, the swing here, so the fourth wave can come until here, or it can even finish at any point before 18,200. So I was expecting 18,150 or 170 zone today, and even I tweeted many people to book their profits around 18,040 to 50, because it may happen that it can, I told them to book the partial profits, because even if the Nifty falls, they can book the remaining profits around 17,900. So this was the wave 4th, and I'm still not convinced that the wave 4th has completed. So it can happen that we may open a gap up tomorrow, and it can be around 120 or 130 or even around 100, and we can go till 130 to 150 zone, and then we have a wave 5th which is yet to start, and this wave can go till if you use a Fibonacci, if I use Fibonacci retracement, so there was a reason why I was telling that it can go till 17,570 or something, 570 or 580. Let me just put a line here. It's 568, so we can say 570 to 580 zone. So this 5th wave may come till here, and this complete wave we will call it as wave C. Okay, so this is going to be your wave C. Okay, so we have already completed 3 waves, sub waves in the wave C, and we are on the 4th one. It may happen that we have already completed that. Okay, and now we are going for the 5th wave, but it's still not confirmed, because if Nifty trades below 18,000, this swing low, the small swing low, that's 17,910, if Nifty trades below that, then it will be confirmed that we are going for the fifth wave. And if Nifty go above 18,100, so you can book your profits, your long positions. And if you're carrying any long positions, you can book that. If not, I would suggest not to take any long positions, even if Nifty is breaking 18,150, because until and unless it sustains above this level, you can see this swing. Until and unless Nifty sustains about 18,250, you cannot go long. And if you are carrying any long, please put this line as a stop loss for now. And if it goes above 250, you can book your profits around 18,150 or 130, and you'll just miss the 100 points if in case the bottom is already formed. But if in case the bottom is not formed, so you can go here till 17,570 zones, and then you can buy here, and that's going to be the last wave, and this will get formed, and this is going to be the complete A, B and C wave, and it's going to take a 62% retracement of the full rally, which started from 16,750. Okay, that's the update for tomorrow. So and what if that that Nifty has already confirmed the bottom, and what if it doesn't go below 17,910 level? So it will go, we may open up a gap up tomorrow, and then it may start a new rally. And then if it sustains above 18,250 by tomorrow or by Wednesday, then you can go long here. And our target, the first target would be 18,470, and the second target would be 18,700. And if Nifty has already bottomed out, and the way the rally took place today, gap up or gap down, it can be gap up, sir, because the way the candle formed today, so you can call it was almost about to make a bullish engulfing today. That's why I wanted to close above the previous candle, that's 18,050. As you can see my tweets, that I wanted a gap up, a close above 18,050, but at around 3 p.m. suddenly a profit booking came, and we closed around 18,015. So right now you can call this almost engulfing candle, but it was not an engulfing, so you can call this a piercing candle. And this can be a good confirmation for a trend reversal, because we started this fall from here and it has completed here, until and unless we don't trade below 18,910. That's 900, let's take it 17,900. If we trade below that, then 17,570 is confirmed. And if it doesn't by tomorrow, or by tomorrow second half, so then about 250 you can start taking your longs, until and unless Nifty doesn't breaks 18,250, and if it doesn't sustains above that, even though it may be a gap up of just 50 to 70 points, and we may open up here somewhere here 18,070 or 80, and then we start, even if Nifty goes higher, so I won't suggest you to go long here. Even if you're going long, and even if you're taking long positions, make sure that 18,000 should be a stop loss. If you're buying around 18,070 or 80 or 50 or 60, if it sustains below 10 to 15 minutes below 18,000, you should get out of your long positions. And until and unless it doesn't break 17,900 on the downside, you should not go short. And if you're going short, then 18,000 should be your stop loss, or this candle high. That should be the maximum stop loss you have to put on your system. Okay, because as far as I'm seeing today's rally, so I'm almost convinced that we have already formed a gap, the bottom, and this was the bottom today. And the way it has rallied, so it's not a corrective one, because such waves cannot be a corrective waves. So it was a impulsive wave which I am seeing. So it may happen that we may consolidate here tomorrow. We may not break 18,100 on the upper side and 17,900 on the downside. We may consolidate here, and on Wednesday we may go up, because if you can see the monthly candle, if I remove all the lines, so you can see that this is a bearish engulfing candle, and as per my screen reading, Nifty has to close above at least 18,500 within next 4 days. So if the bottom has already formed, it has to go above that. But if, let's look at the second case, if the fifth wave in wave C is still not started and yet to form, then we may go till 17,550 to 60 zone, and then we will come back. And if we are doing this, the case 2, then we have to come and close above 18,100 at any cost by Friday. That has to happen, or else this setup will screw the chart, and it's gonna then after that, if the monthly candle closes below 18,000, or let's say 17,950, then our bull run might go for a toss, and we might or the Nifty might consolidate for here for the next 6 months, and for 6 months nothing is going to happen in the bull run. So Nifty has to do that. It has to go down and come back to 18,100 and close the monthly candle above 18,100, or it has to close above 18,500, because this is not a good candle, sir. And if you can see weekly, that we have already started reversing, so we have to close above 18,500. If we close above 18,500, let's suppose if we close here, so that's going to be a bullish engulfing candle in a weekly form, which means that we are ready to go higher, and the next target would be on a higher time frame for next 3 months. My target would be 19,600 next 2 to 3 months. That's how it goes. So let's hope that we may open gap up today or tomorrow, and there would be no negative global cues for tomorrow's opening. And if we open on a higher note, then we have to make sure that we are sustaining above that level. Above the first confirmation would be above 18,150. If we open up anywhere here, 18,070 to 80, and we start trading before the second half, if Nifty breaches 18,150, then you can start taking your long positions with a stop loss of 18,000 first. I know that's going to be a big stop loss, but you have to take that risk. Otherwise there wouldn't be any, because you will be left out. And the way I'm seeing the chart right now, if you're left out, then market won't give you a second chance to re-enter. So you have to make sure that you're in the trade anytime, but make sure to keep your quantity in control, so that even if you buy at 150, and if Nifty is hitting 18,000, so it should not impact your capital. Okay, that's it for now. All right, anybody else have any questions? Thanks, welcome, thanks for coming. And I wanted to come live during market hours today, but it was not possible due to some reasons. But I'll make sure that I'll come tomorrow around 10 a.m. So let's call it a day, and I'll keep you posted in my Telegram and my Twitter handle before the market opens, and if there is something, I'll be there live, so you can come here and ask me. Thank you so much for joining the session, and you have a good day ahead.